Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Lindt vegan salted caramel chocolate. These were on sale and I was actually quite surprised. I tried their other one, the original, and I was actually quite surprised how well it tasted. So I wanted to see if these ones were actually decent as well. So, and then of course, as I mentioned, they're on sale. So as we can see, they are basically, of course, they're sugar, but they use oat powder, which is actually kind of neat. And then cacao butter, and then cocoa mass, almonds, salt, so less than flavor. So, which is pretty impressive that they can get that sort of taste in the original. So, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so I've opened it up here. I cracked a piece open, as you can see. All right, there it is. You guys want to take a look in the middle there. Focus, come on. So you can see there's doesn't look like there's much in there, but let's do a quick taste test. Yeah. So the base chocolate is the same, but the salted caramel, you can have little chunks of like crispy little crisp in there. That of course sugar, but you don't really taste the salt too much. Just tastes like almost the original. So if I had to choose between this one or the original, I would choose the original. But that's me. But if you like caramel, I don't really taste the caramel that much, so but it still is really good. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.